Kendiat shua bang ini sedang ya kejing ya keren ban yo jing percai hakabaya day bat ka hok jong ki kena ki badang hapo ka khat prasnem karta karon ka ain ka bokong santam jong gari India kabaya day ya ki kena kabala tip lengkot kum ka pokso ka ain ya day ki kena na kejing sha le be ijot na kejing sha le ben hakaliang ka shongkha kejing sha nyon ben kata ka ain kabala tip kum ka Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act arajar khatar Kiai ki kendon ki bate ki bakhang ya ki lat pathai khbor ya ki reshmet ya ki pulet ya ga yeng kasam kiai ki jing pensitam hado katno kani ka an ka khlan pat balai kalong ka badon kam yangi pantip kham nia syapang ka pokso ini khmi menta ya gani ka jing ya kran bat ki rew syapang
ni don dekat hang ni berki experts jong ka at ning ko ngan pen pau shepi ka kerting jong iwe ni ki panelist ki ben sepen pau yangi syapang ki jing shisha ki ba manga bat mapi ngi kwa bantip ita di kong i Valerisha Renja ibadeiru i public prosecutor jong Special Poxo Act rengkat kata ring idon i Madam Susan Karwan Nongrum ibala jabateng yakani kaju i kakerdan hanong po tukum ta ter ngidon ru sabat iwe padi nong keren jongi ita ibade i Mr. Kishore CH Gotham ibade iwe ni ki syampang iban sepen syai pen benia yang abade pi hakakten paring the kubleshibun kong Eva, Madam Susan, Sir Kishore, we welcome you to our show. Ni pina sob happy, hakani ki show jungin taksni. The kong ngan sedang show happy dak bakali. Hatu pila ban patay ngi kniat syapang kini ki cases jong kata ka pokso ka bangi tip mo, ka jing syale bejot ki kena ki ba hapo karta ka ba khatras nem ni. Kat no teli ki don kini ki cases haka jela jungi. Ki bam patla ban pen solve ko mangin syong mo. Plan patay ngi kniat halor kata ko.
Kubleshibun ta ya kata ya minta hapo jela jungi kila palat ya ka sihajar tali kikies la palat batang i hangani ka kut ka bade po is kasil tru kikies kinang hajaka bikin duna kinang bun kindiat ngan subatai kata mo tepe nakaliang jong ka kut nei barbor ngi persang kum kikies bla nang hamrem i persang ban penya kikies tingi ale hiru ban penkut kikies tin rei pade ka jing ajungi ka long kumni ba ladangi lap kut ya kawi ka kias minta kasni artli shu ki bathama ki wan tidak kumni dakani ka rukom pade ngimla bangin pen kut longin pentuna ki kias henrei kala ka pen i bangin nang pen kiu shu tidak kumni kan ki kiu ki kias ki pokso kias
Kubleshibun ko yang kata kong Susan pila ane men pensyai ngi halor ki kinja legal awareness ki beladon hakani ka jela jungi lakata badlada kim padjudon ka ikarai baka yeng bisharan kalaman ai na ka benta ki benta dukot ki babat yakani ka law lani ka an mo bakin penya chakman yakani kong plan batay ngi halor kata
Miladang ikran yakani ka legal awareness mantangin layabon nakas na naka government junghi na state junghi kila bo ibon kon kili ban pala ayu ya ka legal awareness kumidan kum ki state level awareness program ki kipen bo jang ka district level ru kipen bo ya ka awareness mentana ki even na ki lawyers na ki ru ki le ban persang ka court ka persang ban bo na po ka legal aid ru ki ai ki le hi ban persang ban ai ya ka ne ka awareness ban pentip ya ki breu ya ki khamtam ya ki breu sya kendong ki nong kendong sya kendong chro jongi kom jongi mentangi ngintip ka an ka de ka ki breu jongi menta pipin ong ya ka pokso kamut ayu ngintip Tikadan kam hayangi kumki taki bayatip an ngide bangin lek ngin pansawa ya kani ya kipat ba balada pipi asyong ne pi asyong ka ne pi asyong hap po ka kerta khatras nam bapidang yaret pidang padai kapor kat kum ka jala jongi hang ni menadu mensuaru ngi khatdus nam ngi ngiyat ki yo breu ki asyong klayo kon klaya ba kon PE hi sa kendong jurat de kilaya ba kon baplikat terus nam kila di kidang kelung kilaya ba kon arngut laingut kilaya ya kibetin kon te kum kita ban khang ye kita ngidan kam te kum ya kani ka awareness kam dai le bangi ong ngidan kam tang na kata ka district level ne naka nakibreu babat ana kani ka awareness kala banlong ka jing pentip sapang kani kala banlong naka school nakinong hikay kala lang ba kan long kay institution na ki kum ki religious institution ro po yeng manero kanu ka institution ro ko kila bande ki na kusnong kila bande ki bre mano ro kham tam ka de na yeng ro ngidan kam bangin ba ngin long no kung bangi ong ngin open up no yaki kon la jong ngim dai re bangin ong bangin le rancho yaki kon manta ki kon jong yaki latep lo through media ba ki pet yaki borok khat ki kitep mdai re ba kim tep sho te ngi kum ki kmi paro ngi dai ban long ba yaki ki dai ban treat yaki kon ngi dai ban long kum perlok lada ka kon kan thai ka kasam janjar ngi dei kum nga kum ka kemi nga dei ban long kum ka perlok ma dei ban batai yang ke ka dei ka babha ke ka basniu ngim dei bandan kata ka jingleran syo manta ban batai so bantangi ngi dei bandan ka kum hapo ka school ro ngidan kam ya ka sex education ngidan kam ngim dei bangin ong kum nong hikai ngin yang hantai bangin yo ki kena bangin batai ki bangin ngin leran ban batai kam dei kadai menta ka kanha kani ka jok mentangi dan kam bangin hap open kum bangin long bangin ban yaha ban kingi long ngin pen ki bangin long kum perlok as a counselor lada kidan ka problem ki kila ban wan changi kila ban batai ngi kum kemiru gidan kam ban pen kata kum ka na po school ro it doesn't mean baka ta ka legal awareness kadai ban tretang kini ki badai bhab ka babat ikian kalong na do na baro hi kaskat na do na yeng hi kastang jingsha kasyong nang panlala lada ukun ukwa bentem ukpa ude benran hajan bat ukpa obat ukun ban batai ke kini barokhat na tignang tagadaw ngan soong kanika awareness bangi ong mentangi ong ngimde bangin aptang na kibreo bakin wan batay yangi naman lada kiwan kum ki awareness kinda benbo ka program hakasnong kanungot kinwan hang to kibreo kinumdan pin ong ya kasnong borakway hakabokut kinwan tang khatsan ngot tang ita khatsan ngot kin batay kinum le batay namar kinum snap ke bangi ong ro ti kong san kawan hi ka ningkong ka awareness ngangan kum nga syam nga naka opinion jo nga ka jika jo nga ngan ong kadiban stang syo na iyang naka school pila bande na po iyang maniro lada fide hapo iyang maniro pila pan patay kan dia pin ai ki awareness ki kina hapo ban pentep ikini ki jing dan kam manta puro khat ikatahi
ka Skong tanan siya kong mangin yasngoy kata ka jing pansyay na marba lesibu na pring jungi ngin tip tan siya pangini ki legal awareness kaba kaan kadi benbu kerpang na kabanta haman laki shnong haman laki thaw khnang ba nginyo jing tip jing syai halor ka kata ka POCSO act but kino kila jing da ki bangila ban yo ringkat kanika act. So coming to you, Mr. Gotham, looking ahead at what is commonly observed in the society, sir, particularly in rape cases which involves a girl below the age of 18. The POCSO Act aims to protect both boys and girls. However, in a very rare case, sir, male victims are unable to seek justice when raped, sir. What are the kind of laws that exist to protect the male victims in such situations, sir? May you please brief us on that, sir?
Thank you, first of all, for having me here. POCSO is a gender-neutral act. So, if the male victim is a minor, he has protection under the POCSO Act. And of course, it's a very rare situation. I will not say it's so rare also. I'm sure Kong Eva, as a prosecutor, has seen certain cases. I myself have handled certain cases where the victim is a boy, is a minor child. And but very interestingly, see, we had section 377 of the IPC earlier, which dealt with carnal intercourse, sodomy, sexual intercourse against nature, which was struck down by the Supreme Court. Because, of course, there were certain segments of the society who we call them as homosexuals. They also have the right to, live the way they want to live. And a certain group approached the Supreme Court, and then it was, consensual sexual intercourse between two males was said to be legal. Now, interestingly, we have the new act, the new criminal act, BNSS, and surprisingly, section 377 is totally omitted. There is no 377. So, as of today, if the victim is a minor, he has protection under the POCSO Act. But what if the victim is a major? There is no law. I hope I'm wrong. I've done my research, but I hope I'm wrong. There is no law as of today to protect a man who has been violated by another man. Now, when I talk about man, I'm also including transgenders, a very vulnerable section of the society. So, I believe PIL was also filed in the Supreme Court for insertion of the equivalent of section 377 IPC in the new criminal law. The Supreme Court had to, did not allow the PIL, stating that the Supreme Court could not give a direction to insert a particular offense into the act. So I believe, in the coming days, probably there will be an amendment to the new criminal laws, and there has to be an equivalent of Section 377 in the new criminal laws, so that men are protected from rape. Because rape is, as we all know, it's gender neutral. Of course, POXO deals with it in a very fair manner. POXO defines a child as anybody who's below the age of 18. But unfortunately, as of today, the new criminal law does not address the situation of male rape.
Beautiful, sir. Thank you for your brief explanation on that, sir. Kajing pensay jung isa kapan pauro ba lahakat ta kisni. Kabun ba kajing bagi senrang kisam hapadeng ban penpau lan di ban pensay. Hapadeng kajing syale bi ijat jeng kulung kena senrang ki bahapo karta kat pasnam. Nginget skem nang nish kamat bakandon ru kaan. Kaban ai jeng daiki wat la dai ngila don lupa ki kendon. Bar kijing penstom nak kabanta kitu ki belayat lupa hakani kajing bakla. Ti kong iwa ngan pai shapi hakani ka jing kelima. Kai kajing penstom ka bapila man penpau kad kum ka POXO Act halor kitu ki ba syakno lani kini ki ba syale be ijat ya ki kena ki ba hapo karta ka bakat prasnam kong.
To hani ka POXO Act kadon na kajong mo. Pigan subatay hindiat na benta kani ka boong kajing syali abi ijat. Nay, telada kadon kajing syali abi ijat kalaban day subu menta lada mdon jing ya day utu beriu balik ay katumo kakam sniw lani utaw balik abi ijat itu kena subu kalaban ngat ka section 3 lani 4 bar kajing pensitom kolong ha section 4 tiga jing pensitom rukan long ha section 4 ti lada kadon pede sakawi pede kata kadi ka penetrative sexual assault kumbingi ong hapok POXO tigadon sakawi pede kata ka section 5 kabade ka aggravated penetrative sexual assault kabamud balada kabut kadi ka hap no sakawi ka kedan pede kabamud lada uni ubali ay tu ka yu kambi ijat mo bali ay tu kam sniw lada udi subu minta udi pa lani udi umama ni upak na tikahap no dakawi pede kata kahap kay kita hay kini ni hakani ka section 5 kidon kita ki close laka jong ka close ti subu kahap no hangta kay ti bakajing pensitom pede hakani ka section 6 ru kata ka section riu ka khamkhia ya ka section sa mo ka section 3 4 mo section sa ti hang ni kidon lagi jong ken don kumlada subu uni u nong le bi ijat udi u nong hikai lani udei u la bande baro u bakit kam snong lani subu ubadi u subu menta ka jing sha le ijat kadi ikna ibadon ka jing sitom ka dokhat met lani ka jing sitom ha bor perkhat kataru kadan la ka jong kata ka hap no ka section insu ai nuksan diat mo ka hap no ka section ni pengat no ka section san ki ka bomut timenta lada sha pin armet pedia subu nei la pin armet i kena pedia ka hap no ka section san ji ar tegalong ta ken subu menta ka jing pin lada di pede ye klung ibandang hapo ka khadas namru ka hap no ha wi ka section tilada di pede bu la le bun sien ye ji kena la le bi jat bun sien pede ka ngat no di ha wi ka dia keluas kata section L tigidon ki jong ken te ka punishment ru ka appear te ka ni punishment pede ka section san tati ka baki kini ki kindon ki baki don nei ki bangat hakitu te ka jing pensitom pede ka long ha section riu pede nei ka jing pensitom pede ka khamkhia susu ong ni kani ka jing pensitom ka baduna du ka jing pensitom ka long arposnam ka bakot pede sadu ka sirtamo life imprisonment lani wat sa ka jing yabru te ka don ka jing ya phiar hoot te ka don ka jing ya phiar ke
Kabisbo ni kata ka jing pensay jo pikong nganuan si ikong Susan kong pina pensay ngi hakanu korukom la ban penia per ya ka jing kata ka basisha lani kata ka bangi ong ka genuine touch but ka jing kata ka baki temu bakla lani kata ka false intention dan ka bad touch ka bangi ong katian paring pila man batay ngi pang kata kong kanyap
Kani ka jing penper ya ka bad touch but ka good touch ngi ong kata kiki ngiden kam ka jing hikai ban ai na do ha school kumbang ong mene hidden kam ban ai ka sex education ha school ro te ngimla ban batay lada utaw breu ubakta ya ini kna kadai da ka jing dan kata ka jing mut pasniw ngi ong ka intention ka jing mut maybe ka mens riangi ong ro kata kaladan lupa kajing mut basniu tika rukom kta jong utau brio piso thot na kajing per ka rukom kta ukta uslut akanu ka rukom kamet jong itai kelung ne hatai khnaro kata kade kata tika penpau ba kada uladan lupa kata kajing sniu kajing mut jong u basniu ulamut banle ke basniu hi ya ita kadan kada kadi kajing mut tikini barok khat pada ka kasyong haka ladaw la syakem kumitai brio kasyong pada hapo kakut i defense council ne uta uba yasat banta jong uta ban penpau hapo kakut ban pen i lat ba umdei da umdan jing mut kum kita basniu umut tang ban chukta da kajing it lese de kajing it kakta jong ujing da kajing it kamut ba u itu uchu thap met umdei da ba upda pen selut ya ka kti jong u hakamet jong itai khna ula ban batai ya kata happen i hapo ka kut ka borok khat ka to ngi ong ka unas mo ngi ong ka borok ka kasyong haka jing batai jong itai plidar bayang bantai ita bayasa bantai ita i accuse ngi ong manta bantau tau brio basya keno ban pensisa hapo kut kam dei ra ba udon kata ka jing tmu basneo ban le kum ya kata ka kam de lada ka pau no hapo ka kut ka jing mut jong u ka detang ka just a normal touch na a good touch with no bad intention te kum ya kata kan syong ka rai ka kut ka sim ha kanu kurukom te ka syong ro ha ka hangi ki prosecutors ro bangi ki prosecutors la dangi syong hang tai mangi ngi hap wan ra ka evidence hapo ka kut ka jingle jong ki ka long kum no kam dei ra bangi ro ngi dei ban long stringent han as a prosecutor ngi hap ban long flexible ro ngi hap ban pet ngi hap ban so thu ka kata ka situation ka long ngi hap ban ya ngap de la lengba ya kata ka kut ro ngi hap ban assist ya ka kut kamut ayu kata ka jingmut ayu jong utau brio ha takar kom ka kut kan sarai pada kade ka jingmut jong ni brio kade ba kalong ka badai pabhane kade kadan ka kaladan ka kala involve ne kaladan ka jing tumu ban le ka ka basnio that is why ngi ong biang kumbangi ngin hap so thu ka kade ka good touch but ka bad touch ngi ong ya kata.
Coming to you, Mr. Gautam, psychologically, we believe that such traumatic experiences after a child have gone through such instances in life. Maybe in the latter stage of life, they meet through mature stages in life. What forms of protection or support can help these victims to avoid feelings such as shame, guilt, and a troubled lifestyle, sir? Can you at least brief us a little bit on the viewers right now who are actually maybe the victims who are actually going through situations as such?
See, in such situations, parents play a very vital role. Now, see, a child who has been violated, that stigma will be there for the rest of his or her life. I mean, we have laws which talk about protection of identity, but for a child who has been violated, he or she herself knows what she's gone through. Parents play a very important role. Now, as far law is concerned, it's my personal view. The law provides for monetary compensation for a victim, but I believe what is the need of the hour is also to provide for some institutional support for such children. Because see, everybody is not lucky to have parents, or everybody is not lucky to have supportive parents too. So it is very difficult for a child who has been violated to grow up and lead a very normal life. It will not be easy. I mean, if you try to put ourselves into the shoes of a child who's been violated at a very young age, and then he or she to go and mingle in the society, he or she will always live in some kind of fear. And that is very natural. So apart from that monetary compensation, which under the Victim Compensation Act, the law is very well dealt with. I mean, there is a certain amount of money which is provided to a victim. I believe there has to be some sort of institutional support, some experts who will ensure that the child till the time grows up, is able to, mingle freely in the society, or gets a job or does well, gets some kind of support. So if such kind of an institution, if such kind of amendment is made to the law, I mean, together with the Victim Compensation Act as well, because see, monetary compensation is of no help. But if such institutions are there, such experts are there who can, help them to grow mentally, I think that will be something which will really help these people.
Kajing percaya ke bayi ai Mr. Gautam yang mentan kalong ke ba penkindit bendriu shisha yang abdia pi ipen pau ba ki bun ba ki kena ki bangat kami kini ki jingjia ki je tengko bar ki jing ka bagi kendu school halinti sengkit ki parlong para jor bar ki bahayeng bahasam Kimi pa ki de ki wei ki benta ki bala ban ai kata ka jing kersha ne ki bakin pen pau ba ngin dei bangin pet kimi ya kata ka jing sha ban ben ha ka shnong ka thau la ne ki brio but ngi kimi len tiru kum ka jing matai jing isa ba ki school ki institutes ha ka ni ka juk ba mata ki nang ai ki kenja counseling sani ki consultations ki ba per ki ba ki la ki ni ki kena ki la bakin wan kum bakin pen khoi ya ka jing mo je perkhat la dia kan long kum kawai ka banta kum bangi ong aktin pareng kata ka therapy ni ka ban ai ka jing ra beki na ka banta ka bor perkhat jumki dengan pai bang shapi kong iwa kum bangi jutib beki don kini ki public prosecutors ki ban ya pet kimi na ka banta kini ki judging jia ki ba kini ki kena ki atin khu nei ngas ko makli pi hatu kila bon ni em kita ki public prosecutors haki yang besar jungi hak jela jungi lakata
Ya minta ngil abun bagi public prosecutor mesti tangki public prosecutor wat ki additional mo kini ki additional mut bagi badon lang bat ni longi don ki special public prosecutor nang ta pada ki additional special public prosecutor ti minta ya berkhot ki district hapo ka jela ka jongi Meghalaya laka de siya po Garo Hills laka de siya po Jaintia Hills laka de siya po West Khasi Hills ni East Khasi Hills ni siya Ribhoy district ni hakanu no ken ka district ru ladon ki public prosecutor haman la ki pokso court tingi ladon lagi jong pokso court haman la ka district bagi ladon ru kin ki special public prosecutor kumju ru ki don lang saki additional special public prosecutor ya minta tingi labun ken long ban khnang ban ngila ban penya ikin ki case ke hagi pokso court ti tangha po ka jela jong tangha po ka East Khasi Hills jongi tingi don artli ki court ki pokso court hakani ka East Khasi Hills jungi hasil long ka bamun
kong Susan ngan pai shapi halor kata kaju jing kali bangang kali kong Ivan nei balai ki juken kong san bantung ye ki kintai halor kani ka kerdan public prosecutor
Ningkong bangi dan kam hida kentai brio dan badai banlong kini ki special public prosecutor balai ba kini ki khlong kini kna ki baba pli ki lalong no kumbangi ong ki lalong traumatized ne ki ladap la sha le ben te lada ki wan chapo ka court ki mut banwan ai ka statement jong ki ka jingkran jong ki de bakin tang chu yo e yo ushin rang brio ki khnyo kim nang ban jubab kim nang ban ong hang ne ngala ban ong ye phiro ngan ai ye phi ka wei kan nuksan nomor ngala di ngala shong as a public prosecutor sha Ribhoy hapo Ribhoy dan kini khna ki ya wan bapli marsan yo tang ye judge ya special judge dang shong ila persang ban keren ye imtre tang ban keren ru imtre iri hadian kemi iri hadian syuki Tengamban se nga hab ban ya lam ye hatawai kamera pada ngi hab ban buat ke kamera ngi hab ban kali nang ta wat de kini kini ki nong side ain ro defense council kumbangi ong ro bawan ni tai sinrang ban kali ro tiang im kwa ban pek te bapek ye kini barokhat ye ngila ka an kalape ye kene baka ka na kini ki knaret ki balaja kum kani kilaya yat lang baya kata kiladan lupa ka jingtiang nangi ong kilalong traumatized lupa kim kitang shui ki senrang brio ta ka jingmut jong ki kalong bai kini kin sawan bad por biang ne kin sawan kalalong no kum yangi kum tau prosecutor ro ngi lalong kum ka kemi hak ta nginda keren ye ki ngi hab ban pen ka jing ngi hab ban pen ki ngi hab ban so thu ka emotional jong ki bakilong kum no hai tai por lada udan usan rang brio unum la ban wan ban pen ya kataka ban un kali ba jingkali un chuan un kali phija kum ta ne philale hang no tamangi kum kan thai pade ngi ladan ngi dan lupa ka jing so thu ada ka ja ye ngi ka long kum no ngi shong bat ki ngi nang ban keren ye ki ngi nang ban pen ye ki bakin hadu bakila ban batai ye ngi kisanya ngi ba ngi le ni kongsan sho ban yo ka jing shanya jong ki bakin batai ka jayu ye ki hata kasngi de nang ta ka daw hanga hi marwai ro nga ngasngong da ba de ki public prosecutor si bon sen thamtam ya kani ka kumha kani ka pokso ki de bande ki kan thai shenrang ka janjar bakin dadan kinum la hi ki shenrang pan bangin yo ka de ka jing sisa na kini ki khna ba
Kamlay kong ya kata jing pensai jopi coming to you back to you sir who holds the responsibility for preparing guidelines regarding the involvement of these NGOs, professionals and experts in handling POCSO cases, sir?
Uh, if you're talking about NGOs, we have the Juvenile Justice Act. Section 106 provides for establishment of mandates, the establishment of a child protection society in every state and a child protection unit in every district. So it is the state government which takes care of this particular situation. Like when I believe here we have the social welfare department which provides for uh, support staff to victims when they come to the court, because time and again it happens that it's difficult for victims to approach the court, and we have a special court where the environment is made in a very different manner, very child friendly environment. So these victims are brought to the court by the support staff who treat them in a very nice manner so that it is easy for them to depose. And even if you, I don't know if you have, of course the viewers have not seen that, but for us when we go to the court where the victims are allowed to be there for the time being before they go and depose, it's a very child friendly environment, so they're made to feel very comfortable, and thereafter the support staff help them, and then they go and depose. So the onus is on the state government as per the JJ Act, the Juvenile Justice Act, which takes care of ensuring that every state has a child protection society and every district has a child protection unit.
So are we also saying that the NGOs has no role in helping children that has gone through rape cases?
What I've seen in many rural areas, whenever such incident happens, a lot of them they approach the NGOs because they do not know where to go. And I've seen in many instances they play a very constructive role. They play a very constructive role, and of course they help them, and then they report the matter to the police. What more they can do is if NGOs also help in awareness, legal awareness, especially in far-flung rural areas. Now, see, we have our district legal service authority, which time and again has this legal awareness programs. But then, in spite of these programs, like what Kong Eva said, the number of POXO cases we have here, and interestingly, the most number of POXO cases which we have here come from rural areas. A lot of them are consensual sexual acts between two young couple, whereas the law mandates if the victim is below the age of 18, he or she will be prosecuted under the POXO Act. And if a person comes to know, like for example, suppose a child is pregnant and he or she, she goes to the hospital, and when the age, the doctor would definitely want to know the age. If she's a minor, the doctor does not report, the doctor himself or herself becomes an accused person. So this is, this is certain gray area where I think regarding the POXO Act, which it's difficult for everybody to be totally aware of laws, especially in rural areas. So if the NGOs can play a very constructive role and have legal awareness programs and make people aware about this particular aspect. I'm not talking about brutal sexual assault cases, but cases where young couple in the rural area. It says before the POXO Act came into existence, there have been many cases where very young people got married, and it was not an offense. So after POXO came into existence, or even before that, there was no consent. Less than 18-year-old, no consent. But after POXO came into existence, what happened is that if you come to know that somebody below the age of 18 years has been subjected to sexual intercourse, you do not report the matter, you yourself become an accused person. So the number of reporting has become more than 10-15 fold. So if NGOs can play a very constructive role, especially in rural areas, and make people aware that there is a particular act called POXO, and below the age of 18, as it is also, a girl is too young to become a mother or to engage in sexual activity. It may have a bearing on their mental health when they grow up. So that kind of a role the NGOs can always play.
Tiku mangiyo kajing pensay na isa kishore ba batay ba kajing simkya nakaliang juki niki NGOs kalaban nong kai lani kata kabor kabalaban ajing yarap nakamenta kishnong kitaw kibaiting ko bat kini kajing ja kiba shale bejar kaka haman la kishnong lara kila makin don menta kibakin sapriang ya kakubor kababha baka kajing yarap baka ni ka POXO Act kalaban yarap ya kitu kikena kibangat kibaha po karta kabakat prasnem kanlong sisya kai kiban yarap namta kalaway baro ko wayhi. Thank you so much on that, sir. Coming back to you, Kong Eva, pilam bata yung ispang kaik kamram jong orang basnong, haba uyo jing tip siya pang kini kajat jing jia, kabahap haka jurisdiction la niya kata kajaka kaba isan syar na i.
Sa pangatan kakamram lada u rang basnong uyo jing tip Sapangka nunu jingja sapangka jingsha thombon ka jingsha takti jung iklung kana kade ka kamram jong u rang ba snong bo un pintip seki pulit mo saka pulit but dati saka police station ka bade ka baka tu ka snong ka ha baka tu police station ti kata hendiat nga sukwa ban pinsa hendiat kata baka kamram kamsong tang kamkut no atang haurang ba snong balada uyo jing tip tang urang ba snong lada kiwe ki jing tip kimdei ban pintip Henry kat kum ka poksu aken ka jing tip lada subu lada mapiru pio jing tip subu nga su ai nuk samoy kata ti subu lada pio jing tip ba idon inu kna ibla sa takti lani sa thombor lani ilasa le bi ijat pio jing tip ya kata bat pis ngap mo ti lada hadin yo jing tip lada ka kia subu da hadin lada lap sai kelawan mut la pau sai la pau hadin ba la sali kum tai tikna tin hadin la pau pe dia ba ma phi hata ka por phi don jing tip tang ba film pin tip sigi pulen mo ti ya phi ru la ban pen ngat lang ke ha ka poksu kadan ko wi ka section ha ka poksu kata ka section 21 ba for non information ken la da film inform sa ki pulet lani sa ki bor ka anay yela da phi jing tip sa phang ka sexual assault mo sa jang phang ka jing thombor pila ban sa pen ngat du kata kamut tang hang taru kamut ikmi ikpa lada ki jing tip bi khun chubum ta iya thu ikmi ba o teng mo udon upana bunsin nga namar banga de hang teng hatip long yo iken bala don ki su bangi haban pen ngat lang ya ka kemi namar ba iklung teng ilali ut ya ka kemi ba upana uktakti lani ule thombor lani ule bijot teng ka kemi kaya da pisu thu kong em lile kaya da ngap jar na ya thu inu tilada hadien pade subu hakapor banang investigation kamut investigation kanang de ti jung ki pulet tilada hata kapor lada ita iklam sa pengat kias hadien da kala apoy syakut ru tin nakaliang jungi haban sim nakaliang jongan ni kaliang jong kut ngaru nga haban pini ka kut ba kaladon kum taga jingja bi ikimi ilatip henry is ngabjar ikubum imyat hu spang taga jingja ti kum ta kan kalong lada pio jingtip manu manuru lada di ba lada de manu manuru chisin ba pio jingtip sapang ka jingsha thombor ka jingsha le bijat jong iklung khna pidei ka kamram jong phi ba pin tip seki bor ka an mutati seki pulet kata kan kalong tamo kata namar bakadon ka kajing pin sitom ru kat kum ka pokso kaladon ko wi ka kias ru kaba itai ikna isha lebi ijot mo ti yathu ite perlok ti ite perlok pri im yathu ili amnu namar ba ite perlok pada min shwa ila ilang tang ba uta ubrio ti ang hanane thu ubrio wanum yathu yenu ti henry da hadin kan layak ka kia sakut kan layak mukot ma ka pausai be ita iyo jing tip henry ikubum ipha ya i bamdi ban yathu yenu ba fidi ban snapjar banum yathu yenu ti hadin pedengim mansi kum ka kut ka haban khot i ban wan ban saman i sakut ban penya kies persai i haka section 21 jong ko pokso to kalongum ta ken to kadon ka jing pin chitom lada phim pintip sha ki pulit lani sa kabor ka
Kubri shibun kong halor kata kong Susan ngan poi biang shapi haka benta ka bakong sanbha ka media bon sien ka media ka ju persang ban aya kanu kubor ka badai ka benta ka bashisha bat ka bang nyimla bangin tip persha lada ngim poi sha ka tu ka shnong tibun ba ki bri ki bashim ka bur yakini ki social media ko mangitip bantande kum kidan ki Instagram kidan ki WhatsApp kidan ki YouTube haka ba ki long kum ki kenja platform na kabanta bon ba ki kena ki bakamai ja na kanika rensan ngan poi sya kabanta ka bakong san pade menta yakini ki news media ne balai bon sien jukhanglat yaki bakin ompan pau ya kadur kmat lani ya ka jaka shong jokasa jong kitu ki kena lani jong kitu ki brio ki ba la le bar ki ba sha le lani ki ba sha le be ijot bar kitu ki bale be ijot
Kata kajing kelima pin piang ba ya pinda ong ya ka media ka ladan lupa kanika kan pot bamihi ya kanika pokso at kaladan lupa kajing ka kendon hang tu ban ong ba ngim day ban identify ban tip ya ita ikna neklong banu bala sale be ijon ngim juday ban batay ka jakasa jongki ka kami pa kerteng jong kami pa ne ka school bakilet tang ka surrounding ka neighborhood jongki ru ngimlong ban batay til lada ngi wan ya lam ya ki chapo kodro labangi kumbangi ong kumbangi diaspora bangi yasat ngim jupan mi ka kerteng jong ngi si ong bet survivor namalese hapo porbangi dang yasat hapo ka kodrum ro kidan kiwi kinong sat ya kiwi pada ti ngim ju kwa ban pan pau ka kodro kam ju sha ya ngi ban pan mi ka kerteng kalalong no kum ka ngim kwa ban kalalong no ka restriction yang ngi ba kum kata ba ka khang yang ngi ti mentala dangi aila dia ka media kan tuklar ka media kan pen I ka dur jongki kan pentep ye ki ke ibro ti pi kata ka kalong kum bangi le ben ye kita ki khna ken ya ka future jongki kalalong ke kalong ka stigma hang ne ta kum ba ila ong man ne isa gautam I ong ba because ba ke ba hadian habot ka syukum syabar kalong ka stigma lada pi batay pi pen identify pi pen tip ka kerteng ka jakasa ke kindan lesi ki bahayeng ro to syubo menta lada I menu bahayeng jungnu la sha set hapo je te lada tip bade ini kena lada ikidan menu bate basa hangta tiki kinwan kinle wan le kupot hayeng jongki ya kum benda ye kita bero khoi ro ki long bet ngim de ngim kwa ban ai we kita ki ban ki identify ye ki ban pentep ya ka kerteng jongki kadur jongki ban penpa lada lap pada bakile kum ne pada wat dade ka media ro kadan ka kendan hapo ka ai pokso ba ki ro kin sha dan kuna bakin sha set pojil nriu banai ne kila ban let ro kila ban poi hadu shisnam ne kila yo ba kila ban sha fine ro ne kan long kan hap boroar but fine but ka sha set de kata ka syong baki kilatep kum hakani ka pokso ai ka khang yaki ka mana yaki ban pen I kum kita berokot ban pentep but in spite of that kidang le ki penmi ka kerteng jong ki basa syano kum ya kita ngem man si ngihab ban pentep ba ba ka media ro kanu ka de ka media ro ngihab ban ka quote kan shim action kan kum ya kita ro takada the first and foremost kalong yangi bangi kwa bangin penburi ya ka identity jong ka khana ngim kwa be I la shai la chisi inda la he be in long ka stigma be indan sa ka to ba ki kin point out ba ki we kin ong ye phi ba phi la ju sha le kom ta barok khat kin tep ke ngile ban buri ba ngin kinum tep ba to ka por phim tep ra ka trauma ke kadang ya man ta hai kini ha ka family jong ki ha ka yeng ka sem jong ki man ta kum ba ha ka ta ka yeng ba sha le mata kan wan ka media kan penpau perthai kan penpau pata ya kin batai lut ye ki pajba kin te ka kan long kumno ke ni ki khnang ye ban ya khnang bakan ba ayu ya kata ban khang ya kata kila khang kila mana ba ki media kim dei ban batai ye kini barokat
Mr. Kautam, as we've just mentioned about the misusing of social medias, there are people who have been surviving through monetizing different kind of channels in different kind of platforms, so to say Instagram, YouTube's, or many other platforms, sir. There have been issues in terms of these medias relating to news medias where they cannot reveal identity and the whereabouts of the victims, so to say. Whereas there are people from certain instant villages where they come up with different rallies to show a sort of a solidarity or a sort of a sympathy towards the victim who has gone through situations, sir. Will the government or is the act has an amendment or a restriction to these people as to not proceed with such kind of rallies, sir, as again, it proves that this person belongs from that particular area. Now, we know that this rally has been taken place in, say, suppose, for example, this rally takes place in Jayao. Now, we know for a fact that this victim belongs from the Jayao community, sir. So, what do you have to say on that, sir?
I believe Section 72 of the BNS, which prohibits publication in any form of the name of any victim of rape survivor, also the POXO Act. No, as far as taking out rallies is concerned, I mean, of course, it's in a very bona fide way rallies are taken out. But if then again the name of the victim is somehow published or the identity is disclosed, then I believe, in my opinion, it is a punishment. Of course, it is a very bona fide way of them coming out in a rally in support, showing solidarity. But at the end of the day, there is a particular law in place which prohibits you to do that. I have not seen any group being prosecuted in such a manner. Of course, there are cases where newspapers and media agencies, I mean, obviously, maybe they were not aware of the particular law in place. And so I think there's a case going on against a very prominent newspaper. I think it's in Ribhoi for publishing the name of a victim. So, in my opinion, of course, any act which you do, which rightly or wrongly, you publish the name of the victim or disclose the identity, will at the end of the day attract to criminal offense. And if somebody reports it, then you will have to face the music.
So thank you so much, sir, for briefing on that. Again, I would like to add up, if coming back to these people who are monetizing channels, if the news media is strictly prohibited to take videos of these people enacting or coming about to show that this particular victim belongs to that particular village, I believe this goes the same for the YouTubers as well.
Absolutely. I mean,
And for any other
anything. Like,
influencers
see,
as well.
I'll give an example. Even when I file a petition in the court, in the High Court and the lower court, and if I have to make the victim a party or the complainant a party, the mother or the father of the victim, we refer to them as X, Y, so and so. And we take steps. Taking steps would basically mean sending notice to them through the particular police station in FIR number so and so. So the law absolutely prohibits anybody for disclosing the identity of a rape survivor or a sexual assault.
Thank you so much, sir, for briefing on that. Tigo mangilay jing tip kabashay ber kabakambani abha. Kajing pinon kam bakalaya ka media. Kajing kangla ban shim lani ban panpao ya kadur kamat lani ya ka kerteng. Jong kitu ki khna ki bale be ijot badlani kitu ki basha be ijot. Kam day tek tangi ki news medias. Kadai ya barkhot ki platforms ringkat ya kitu ki basngotonat ki ban penia ya ka YouTube channel. Kum kalat ban kamay ja. Lani ka lat bakin penon kami ka Instagram lani ki bun ki platforms bakilat ki lat kamay ja. Ki basyam baklay ki videos. Jong kini ki khna lani kinu ki jat jingja. Ki ba penma pen mensaw. Yangi kinong pej. Kadon ka jing penstom kat kum kaan. Thank you so much, sir, on that. Coming back to you, Kong Eva. Ngin po imenta siya kabanta ka bakam kong san kandiat mo. Ngin karan siya pang kanika child pornography. Hakajing pit film bean kini ki khna manta kilawan bat ki nuksa ki baper hakaba kile be ijot bat kajing kentho ba ngiyo I na ki kimi ki pa ringkat na ki mobile phones ka baki bat maki hakaba ki yo I ka ka bajang tu ki penbut teneng ya kata. Ti hatu pitharai ba kadon ka an ka ba khanglat lani ngila ne ambengin ut ngin nam siya ka sarkar ka ban pen khang do dam no ya kini ki websites ki ba penpao kini ki film ki ba thamula ki ba penpaj ya kini ki khna kong.
Taka jingkali mo please boni ta jingkali. Tanga smo kat kum ka jing so thu jaga ngar ko smo ba la don kam si sha min tak la di ka high time ba ngin ongi ka sarkar ngin ut ngin nam ngin kirpat ka sarkar ba kum kini ki reels ba ong ba ya phi kum bala ong menia bala ong menia biki haki reels si simply ya ka phone da on ya ka igini ki video haka Instagram ni la da ka di po Facebook haki ni ki social media ngilap ba ki mi hi tu ki reels kimi la kami Facebook tu kimi la kami hi kum tu ti lada kum lani kini ki website ki ba demo ki pornography kitu mo jom ki website baka sarkar long hoy abun kitu ki website ki laban henry kini ki reels pre hadu mentam pan laban te ka don kam ka awareness ru ye ki kimi ki paru khamtam namar baka internet menta kala sulong ka basuk ba manu ngilaban yo access anywhere anytime mo boong idon kam we ngidon kam ngiwat tang imining jung ru yung pet niya internet layo ako mining jong ata tagalong ko basuk tingidon kam ru kum ki kimi ki pa bangin kit kya ba khamtam long haba mo long bingin dum pen iki bomde khamat ki khun lagi de ki klong ne ki khna ru ken long kam bahai ken khamat ki khun ngi de ban so thu tenang ta ka don kam ka jing pen sai de ye ki kimi ki paru yaki bakin pen so thu iki khun nang ta baka ka bak pen internet kamlong kum baka pen teng ki khna ki nget bet teng gin ya kran bat ki ong internet la tho om ta ki nget bet kat baka ong ke internet ti ki pen but teneng ka jinglong khna ka jinglong samla jong ki pen but teneng tingi don kam si sha ken ba ngin ut ngin nam ngin kirpat no ya ka sarkar ba kan khang no kata
Bunan lor kata kong Miss Nongrum ngan chpoy siya kabanta klem nakta asyo ka juga mat mo ngan poy siya kabanta ka bakong san kendiat la ju syamru ha ki bon ha ki shnong ki thau kini ki khna ki baduna ha ka bor khotmet jungki ki dan bon ru ki lanot ki bangat ha ka ni ka jing sha le be ijot hatu kaan kadon jing penstam ayu nak kabanta kini kibri kibalik to met yakum kani kakam hakini kijak kena kong
Ya kata kajing keli te kumala batai kung ibaru mana ya pi la ong kadan kajing per ki kendan barok yang te hapo ka section 5 jok ka poksu ai kadan la laki jong kala batai lupa te lada kum ya kani iru ila batai mana kadan ha section 5 clause ki ka hake bangi ong no kidan ki ABCD kum ta ibarok kum bangi si ong tang hapo bahap hapo kata ka haka san mo ngi ong section 5 ngi lakilaha te hangta kala batai lada dan kum kata ka jing leben ya ki khna bambyang baduna badan jing duna haka jing na jing perkhat ai barokhat kum ya kita ro kidan kat ka kendon ka bapen I ba ya kum kini phila leben phila yu shisha ya ki ka jing ka punishment ya ki kalong hadu ka arpus nam tam ne phila ban yo ka punishment ba ka jing kan ba hadu ka jing em jong pi kat ba fidang em kat ba fidang la ban ayu ka yo kata ne kala ban ai ro kum ya ka death punishment ro kala ka shong ha ka phila le ben hadu kat no ye te khna tama wei ba ki la de hi ki te ki khna ba byang ka bor ka jing mo jing perkhat ne ka met ka phat jong ki kam byang kan ka kham e ki ke
kamut ka kam khia
ka kham
jing
kia
penstam
to normal bele ba ki la to kini ki wei ki la ban batai te ia kata ro nga ngala ban ong ye pi sakawai ro hapo kata kadi ka jingja sisa idan ita ikhna ila khat prasnam hai tai por ba iwan I statement hapo ka kot ka jinglong jong I ipen I kumba dei ibatang license isyong ida ide ban I ka statement kane ka case jong I kumba menero ikong ibai ong ba kane ka case ka long pending bet ni ong ba kamkut kat no kat bang impan la ban sim ka statement ko na ita ikhna kumba ong isaro kade ka sole testimony tang di victim ngila ban ya kata ban ai kata ka bandan kum na ban le kum do ta ka punishment right te menta hakat kum ye itaro panyo tang kata ka jingkran na I jing batay na I ngi jenjar ye I imla ban batay syo hado ba ilayat ilapar kamandan berokoi kata ke kamera bengi ong kum bengi sibu ke kamera benta jongki ilayat ilapar kibu ki jing lakai isai ki jing lakai ilakai man kelitang iwi jing keli I ban batai ber isale ayuru iti imnang batai te kumi kitu ki bapli perkhat mapi kumi kitu ki lalat mo kum bengi ong ya kum kita ban shale ben ngidehi am ka an ka dehi ban shem ka ka action ka belong very strict on these types of assailants na kiki accused na bangi ong bakilale kum ye kitu ki perpetrators ngi ong komitay bapli imtep khat mudur mapi khat pras nam ilayat kum kulung lada iyo I ki sindang brio ila khnyo ilare sha kendong ilale hadian kasuki ilare te kum ketu ke the emotion menengi ong no bahato kapor bangi yo I ka khamla ba yangi bangi dan hang ta ki counselors badan lang kum as a prosecutor kum as a judge ro bi idan hang tu ni claim da jaw umat banta jong itai khna hado kata ka jingting jong I so phila ban so tho ba phin le ben kum ye kini ki khna kum no ka an ka de ban treat yakim kita ki bore ide ban so tho ka de nang tagadaw hi kani ka an kalawan ha kata ka kendan ba kadan specifically ba kum ye kini ki de ban dai either ba ki de ban ai ar pusnam shanang na fi de ban ai be ye ki hado ba kandakut ka jing em jong ki lela da ka kham ayu shusho I know ye ki ka death sentence ro kata ka de ka punishment ba ki yo
kabli shibun kong halor kata ka jing penshai Mr. Gautam, I'd like to ask you if this sort of a punishment from the POCSO Act for these people who comes up with false allegations, sir.
See, interestingly, the POCSO Act does not have any mode of punishment for a child who makes a false accusation. So, if somebody wants to falsely implicate somebody and uses a child to do so, the child at the end of the day will not be punished. And I believe this leads to, I mean, there are not always a lot of false cases, but I believe in a country of 1.4 billion population, we do have certain people who may or have misused this law just because there is no punishment at all. And of course, we cannot, there cannot be a punishment against, because if we say that there is a punishment against for false reporting, then perhaps it will, prohibit people, a lot of people from coming forward and reporting the matter. So that is the reason why this particular omission it's rightly been made. So of course that is the reason why, I mean, the prosecutor, defense counsel, as well as the court has to, be very open to the idea that, there may be certain cases where false accusation can also be made, especially in such law where the sole testimony is more than enough. You don't even have to look into any corroboration, or you don't even have to look into the medical evidence. So of course the law is very stringent, and one of the basic tenets of criminal jurisprudence is, if the law is stringent, the quality of evidence also has to be pretty good. If you're sending a man to jail for 10 years, 20 years, then the evidence which you rely upon also has to be
Has
of
to be
that particular
strong,
quality
yeah.
to send a man to jail for such a long period of time.
Thank you so much, sir, for briefing on that. Adding to that, I would like to stress to you on consensual sexual relations, sir, because I believe it deals with that. Because sometimes there are relationships which consensually they've agreed to both have an intimacy relationship, to which on, say, suppose if one of the parties wishes to get away from the relationship, but because she seems to have no reason, or he seems to have no peculiar reason for that, they put sex as a blame, sir. Now, considering if a girl is underage again, sir, the man will be punished, sir. So is there any act from the POCSO Act that can somehow protect a man from serving in the jail for nearly 10 to 20 years, sir?
In such a situation, the only thing a person can do is get a very good defense lawyer. Because I'll tell you, if the law is such, if it is a consensual relationship, even if a consensual relationship with a minor girl, that is seen as rape. Now, after the 2019 amendment, the law has become so stringent that penetrative sexual assault, even if it's consensual, the minimum punishment is 20 years. And 20 years is almost like life imprisonment. And of course, when we talk about young couples having sexual relationships, I have argued a lot of matters in the High Court too. And my basic argument initially was, when we look at the definition of assault, POCSO talks about sexual assault. Assault has a negative connotation. Assault basically means force. Two people, 17, 16, I mean, of course, biologically, they are old enough to have sexual relationships, but as per law, they are not. Now, if they were totally oblivious or not to the existence of POCSO and they are in a relationship, at the end of the day, even if the girl initiates the act, it is the boy who faces the music, right? So, I mean, we have argued certain cases in the High Court where the court had quashed the entire proceedings on the basis of both the people coming together to the court saying that we do not want to proceed with the case. And whatever happened, it was consensual. Now, this particular matter is pending before the Chief Justice. A reference has been sent because one of our single judges has not agreed to the proposition of compounding of POCSO offences. Because under Section 482 of CRPC, the Honorable High Court has inherent powers to quash even non-compoundable cases. When I'm talking about compoundable cases, it's cases where the law allows for compromise. Cases like rape, murder, serious cases are not compoundable, but the High Court has inherent powers. So this particular case of consensual sexual relationship between young adults, I mean, between a minor and a very young 19, 20-year-old boy is pending before the Honorable Chief Justice. A reference has been sent to decide whether in such situations, in fact, I think this particular case, the couple have already been married and they have a child. For the court to decide whether they should be punished or not. Because once you already have a child, there is a DNA evidence also, it would become very difficult for a person to, to get out of the clutches of the POCSO Act. And if it's after 2019, like I pointed out, after the amendment, the minimum punishment for that man will be 20 years.
20 years.
Even if the court is very lenient, even if learned prosecutor is very lenient saying that give him the minimum punishment, the minimum she can do is send him to jail for 20 years.
Kalong kabakim siya bagin perkat nakaliang usinrang. Lada kingan akum kani ka apot hakabagi siya parep. Hapadeng ka jingye day si samla arngut. Lani hapadeng ka jingye day kabagi lab ni longkum ki si parlok. Boy habaka kentay ka parep baka siya lebe ijat lani ka siya akta-akti. Kalong kiya siya kat kum ka anjo namar baka bu ka jing penstom. Ki balada yo no batmula no bale kani ka kam. Kinyo be ka jing penstom ki bahapo ka arposnem. Hindi day nakatakadaw ni sedani ki public prosecutors kiban yada kiban pensyai bari ki state defense council ru haman laki jela bikin penpau si sharing baka evidence ni kata kajing penpau katkum ki kot kisla lani katkum ki dak kishin medically tested katkum ki jing thau jing ken nakaliang kajing kot jing kya day na kita ki daw ni salaman pensisha. Thank you so much, sir, on briefing such a beautiful detail on that, sir. Now, coming back to you, Kong Eva, filawan patay nga kandiat pang kai ka kamram juki pulit hakani ka bentapat. Hatu kidan bor ne maki bakin rakti la nikin show yo unu kena ubale akani ka kam ladawan ka jing ut juki kena baki la shale be ijat. Kai ka kamram juk pulit. Hakum ke jing sngo juki padba aki ong ba upulit udi ban show bet. Upulit udi ban aga jing penstom ka bakam kya. Namar ka an kaya trikam tambat ki kot ka jing yasan. Ki aga jing kentor bo lathi udi ban trikam. Tingin singam na pi kay kita ka kamram jo upulit pat.
Sa phang ta ka jing kelimo. Taka kamram jong pulit ti actually sisin ba ula yo jing tip ben na upulit mo. Bakal adon ke FAR. Mo. Ke FAR kamut pa dia balada haban ni file bil ada yo jing tip sa phang ka jing jaru. Ki pulit kinlet hi sang tu jaka bro. Ti kila ban ra anu itu uburiu. Kamut pa dia bu pulit hoat. Kata bunsien habalap mtun da balap li dupat ba abhur li ti uwan ka jingdom yo tu buriu balik kata kakam mo lalong no kakam kat kakam bile ibijat hendai kadika kamram jung pulit pre bo unsim no itu buriu hendai bo unra bentokit sathanat telada tokit dalada lap sisa bo kat kum pulit lalalap bo lale ladon ka FAR bla file ti kadika kamram jung pre bo un yalam yo uswa ni kong dal adap hadian bal adap aras mo baunya lam sui usha medical mo balili medical te hadian nang tu unhaban produce cakut badia te hadian ka tu umla ban sushim ya ka anya kati bu unswa marka medical godon unhaban produce hapo ka kod kadi fi kalong against the human rights mo te unhaban produce cakut tu unya be according ka anya kan pulit bunsian tela da yo jing tip dia subu lada kadi jingja ka baja persa i khlung i khna iba subu ka jingja ka ja haying hasam mo imdan subu minta itu khna imdan su jakasa kumlu bini phai biang sutu te kadi ka kamram pre jong pulit lada uyo jing tip kum kata ba un pentip dia syaka CWC masindap file ke FAR kadi ka kamram jong pulit bom pentip syaka CWC ka bomut ka child welfare committee mo te udi ban pentip hapo arsau kenta baladon kum te khna ba don kam ka jakasa mut ka shelter home ba inyo bin sulong safe itu khilung itu khna mo te nakaliang jong shelter nakaliang jong CWC te wud hi nakaliang jong kiru ki simkhia hi bat ki shift no itu khilung ikhna saka shelter home khnang ba inyo i ka jingsa tengan mo bin sa ba inyo ka jingyada pa dia marbun sien teng ki hab banra ano itu khilung maka jingja subu ka ja hayeng hasam kunun pensyong su itu kelung te bunsin kili amta te ndre di kamram jung pulit pada te nang ta su ndiat mon su batai ndiat sapang ba hadin ka tu ka CWC ru si appoint i support person ini support person idei i ba appoint na ka CWC kini di DCPU ka bomod nakaliang jong ka district mo te ki appoint ni ta ti ini ikna na du tu ko por hadin pada file ke FERA ila don ringkat nakaliang jong ka social welfare te ka CWC ila don ringkat kin appoint ni i support person be idon ringkat nadu takapor hadin pada file FAR nadu ka tukapor baka nang day hakati jong gipulit baka nang yaki investigation but haru kata ka di pre-trial kan but haru hadin bala file ka shart sheet kamut tati ka bala yat mukot de masa kuat ti indon ringkat but in I ka support itu iklung itu ikna kan sinakaliang CWC ru ki share point i support person teman ki kena kini ki victim mo ong kini ki lanat ki don le ijong support person ki bawan ki badon ringkat hakti kejat bat ki hadu syakut hapor bengi don kam bensim ke evidence ru ki don ringkat hakti kejat teken diat ngan chupen sai dia na bentna kini ki ba don ke jing sitom pre hagabor met balani hagabor perkhat ki don te sekita ki special educator ki bangi khat tingi nakaliang jong CWC ru kibu ikita ba kinyarap ikum tu ki kena markidon kam fi ki beriu ki belong expert hatu kalai kumangi manga ma pingin la teng bangin dia deal ikna ki badon ki badi ki special need child mo ginum la ban chui deal directly pidon kam ka ba experience mo pidon kam ba fidi expert hatu kalai tikum gi kita ru kidon kini special educator ki bawan no Ahmad kiarap ke kiarap ya ki itu kena kumjuk ru kiarap ya ka kuat ru haga bangin sim ya ka evidence ru kena ya ka sakhi ju itu iklung nani itu kena kan
Kubish bun kong halor kata, Miss Susan, ngan pai biang sya iju ibenta kendiat mo. Don kam bandon da ka pulit kentai, haman ki patok lani haman ki tanat kaba la ban ai jingarap lani jing pencingan. Ya kum kini kejat jingja, ki baja kakak steng mit. Lani ki baja haki por ki banok senya. Hatu don kam bakan don bida ka pulit kentai ne, kabiang lada don tang da ki pulit senrang.
Kat kedan kam hi bandan pulit kan thairo nomor barabor hi bana hapor balik ke investigation banda kumba ila batai kong iba menta bakin yalam ya ki chapo hospital ban medical ban le medical hangne ki dei hi ki pulit kan thai bet banyan nang takadaw barabor lada kadan kum kata ka jingja kalaja ladan ka report hapo ka police station hatu hai tai clip mat dadai officer idei badai senrang ro insa endorse no yaki kentay insa kon no in I no bet bangi ong ma woman police kinsa wan no maki kindai maki kin take over no banyalam ni tay kena ban in ben bu kata ka investigation ka inquiry ka jingkali ka ne katay banyalam siya po hospital ka ka badan kam ni tay ikna hay tay por kidi ki pulit kentay taga daw ngidan kam ha ki pulit kentay ro mentangin yu ki pulit kentay ro ladang ya bon hingi ro nila each and every police station yang siya ngilaya dan ni pada kabenta bidang publik idang dunai ki police station yang ki kethay tama kadai pa kadai bendan ba ki kethay pulit.
Kubish bun kong halor kata, Mr. Gautam, if a child's age is later found to be incorrect after a court has passed its judgment under the POCSO Act, does that invalidate the order of the Supreme Court? Sorry.
That's a very interesting question. There can be two scenarios over here. First of all, if the conviction has been arrived at, even if the act is consensual, and later on, if the victim is found to be a major, no case at all. Obviously, because she's a major. But what if the act is not consensual? Now, the Special POCSO Act is constituted under Section 28 of the POCSO Act. The state government, in consultation with the High Court, appoints a Grade 1 judicial officer who has the power of the Court of Sessions. Now, there's one case which I'd argued before the Honorable High Court, which was the Special POCSO Court having come to a conclusion that the minority of the victim could not be proved, still went on to punish the accused person under Section 376 of rape. On merits, the case was really bad. So my argument was very technical before the Honorable High Court. My argument was that the fact that the court could not conclusively come to a finding that the victim was a minor, the POCSO court could not have tried the offence. No, the judgment did not come in my favor. The judgment was, the court took the aid of Section 28. Section 28 clause 2. Court of Session can also try other offences. 28 read with 42 other offences under the IPC. So yes, even if the minority of the victim later on, if the victim is found to not to be a major, there can be two scenarios. I mean, during the trial or after the trial, if it is a case of rape, the person has to be punished under the laws. Previously 376, now I believe it's 68 of the BNS. I mean, after the laws are changed, we tend to be a little confused because for so many years we have been, we have taken IPC to be the benchmark for all of us. So if it is later on found out that if the act was consensual and the victim is a major, like I said, the person has to be acquitted, he has to be set free because the act was consensual. Otherwise, if it is found to be, it is a case where at the end of the day, the victim is found to be a major and it is not a consensual act, the person can be punished under 376, under the rape laws or molestation or whatever it is.
Thank you so much, sir, on that. Kajing percaya isa kalong ba wat lada ki kena ki basha kem lani ki basha pengat bakla hadin kajing syak kan tho ba ki le be ijot wat lada ki klem le kindon ki jing penstom na kabanta kitu ki bri pre ki bakeno bad lada kadon kono kadak kashin bakani ki jing kena thok ru kadang thok susu kala banan pede sadik wi pede ki kindon ki ban pengat ki jing stom ki bapher kong iwa ko ban kli pi kamat ka ba kham khta ya kani ka juk jungi ka bamantamo lesi kidon arngot ki khna ki ba po karta ka bakhat prasnem kidon hapadeng ka jinge dei samla jong ki mo te klempep ngitip baki layalang samla ki kwa bani hap kurim nang ta ki kwa ban seng ya kayeng kasem leng ba ki kun ki kti tang ba ka an pade kala long no kum ka jing tuklar na ka banta ka jong ki namar baki di kita ki under age ka mangi ong mo ki di kita ki khna ki ba po karta ka bakhat prasnem Te kaan ke don ayu pade banyadana ka banta uni usnrang shimet kamtam. Kumang yang akli meneh kita jikiri bladan. Ingat yang saya sin pade kamtam hakani ka banta bay kia na ying nasam kia sup. Te hatu kaan ke dang la mau bantu kelar kumya kataru.
Kata kan. Kata ka jingkeli lara fikli yang aneh. Ngatrai isa gotem. You'll know better that case Camberlin.
Alright sir, so the question was so the
You
question
won that case, no?
Yes, yes.
No,
It
I
was
had a
what?
case.
About,
it was worse.
about,
Alright, so
about,
let's come with Sir Gautam first.
consensual relationship.
Yeah.
Yes sir.
See, I mean, that point of time, there were three petitions. In fact, one was after conviction. So what happened was that the special POXO court, Reboy, convicted the man for 10 years. Interestingly, it was an act of consensual sexual relationship between two parties. When he was out on bail, he got married with that woman. They had a child. And I mean, the trial went on for a couple of years. By the time the trial came to a conclusion, the court convicted him for 10 years because the girl was a minor. So I hurriedly filed an appeal. When I filed an appeal, bail was granted to the accused person. But the court itself gave a suggestion. I think it was Justice Maurice Bench that since the couple is married, why don't you make an effort to file a petition under Section 482? I filed a petition under Section 482 saying that both the parties have compromised. The fact they have not even compromised, they are married. So there is no point in sending the man to jail who will take care of the children. At the same point of time, there were two other petitions which got tagged along together. And it was a very interesting hearing. It went on for a long period of time. Ultimately, it was the Court of Honorable Justice Dingdo who allowed the cases. He not only quashed the conviction in that particular conviction case and also quashed the other two criminal proceedings, taking into consideration that these people were married and a child was involved. And now we have another single judge, Justice Bhattacharjee, who has not agreed with the same finding of Honorable Single Judge. And similar matters have been sent for reference. And because the state did not appeal against the finding of Justice Dingdo, so otherwise that would have been binding. But then the fact that Honorable Justice Bhattacharjee has said that rape cases under the POXO Act cannot be compounded. So he has sent a batch of petitions. I think one particular case has been sent for reference before the Honorable Chief Justice. Now, whatever the bench decides, it will be a precedent for all of us to follow.
And just ya minta tu hau ubnai mi kanika Supreme Court mo ka court ka bahe adu hapo ri jongi nai tendang hau ubnai mi hau last week jong mi kanang pass ya ka kanang ay ta decision mo ya ka order ka ba uta ubriu uya song ba khna ka banang hapo khat prasnam tiga ta ka jingya song ru na lingba ta ka jingya song jong ki angun ki yo ikhun ki don ru ikhun ti hapo kanika trial court ka bamut hapo ba kanang ya ka kia sapo ka trial court ula sa convict ti arpos nem ka court kala ai ti kat ba ka Supreme Court pade ko ong ba hakata ka decision ko ong ba uni ubri ho ai usa convict tang ba ka khamsa apri uta ubri ka ai kata ka order ba don kam ban song hajil ka bamut don kam ban set patong ti kata ka kias ka na po West Bengal ti ya minta ita ikhna ila esa alang bo uta ubri kumjuru bi khun jugi but hata ka order ka ba decision ka ba pass da Supreme Court ki don ru ki guidelines ba for that case uli ita ikhna ken ba di banyarap balong ho bagandum long ka president kanya no dia long kan long bitik tang ya kata ka ita ikhna ken long kam di ban long solon sari wiki kias kan kadi bitik ya kata ka ita ikhna ken ya ta ubri kan ita ikhna ba ita ikun ken
Sa hangtag la nga sangat nganyo ban puno lada kerja kumta kumba piong ka consensual lang tabakilaya dan ka jingya lang kiladan ka jingya suk na yeng ro kumta ro kadan ba namar ilet ila armet kena tiki ilet check up ilet lang hi bata baro bat senrang bat kami jong kentai kia let lang tamakin lalet hapo ang teh hapoganistas ban check up ban pada di doktor pada imban se because under age ila hapail ka kaya kumba ang isa lada in banum inform ro mlong lahap inform tikin dala poy siya po isa set jil cenderang publish aset jail di nang tapadeng inda lahap le bil kum ka kod ro kapet ya kata ka investigation ka iyo kam dai ra kum boong tang ka kod tang syu ong ba pide ka yang besar ka dekaan ka kalong mat la ndai ra kum ta habang ilayo ba kani ipanyad ba ka prosedur kum ba kalik ipanyad ba ka prosedur iro iladan ka idan kata ka pawa ilabat lupa grade 1 hi ka post ka special judge ro ilapet ilayat ling babaro khat ki investigation ilayat ye kitiki evidence sa ibarokhat had ipanyat ilatep bakini kide silong kilaya syong kilaya sok kilaya salang habakot pada ipan ay no ya ha ka benefit of doubt ipan ayu no kanyaki iklam convict kani dai kena ya itaw sendrang ro markidang ya salang it baki ong that there is a thing that the court does not want to interfere into the life of a happy family lada kat bak kidang la ban pen bahaya ka family jongki katahi ka kut ro ka kale ban per ka persang ya katahi haba layo kum ya kani haba ukparu udan lang uklam le ben uklam ya ka kantai ki adan lang kis usumar ya tai khulung ro usumar kum hakata pada te ka kut kam ban se ka hab ban pen ya ka ayu ka power jong ka discretion jong can be in I no in pelan ayu tau senrang kan kataru ka ayu
long bun sien hi ka kuat kam ong ba long bun sien ki ong bangim yo bay di ban convict lan kumangi ki prosecutor bang ngin ho ban kem lan ni ban penya ai saja bet yo burio henry kamut kumta ka kamnam jungi ru ka di bingin assist ya ka kuat ti kumju ru ka kuat kapet lang ken ya baro arliang namar bun sien hi wadangaru dangade bakana ka public prosecutor ru ka babun sien khamtam kum kini ki love relationship ka ngidon kata ti ka jing ngo ba ngidei ki ate long pengin penpat pen prayo puja jong no penpat ya ka yeng ka sem lada daily bo ubrio upet long uri usumar upet ya ka lok itu khna upet se itu khlong uri usumar itu khlong tamalong kata pede ka song pede ka kut ke decision pede jong ka kut ma
Kabli Shibun, hello, Jing Panchai. Thank you so much, sir, on briefing such a beautiful detail on what the viewers and us right here who needs to know on what are the certain punishments and certain inactions on people who have been engaging in learning that there is no act against rape cases for people underage, for making us understand that there are certain limits, restrictions towards people who believe that media is a platform. Ngai kubli people ongut kong hakani karan san jungi hakaba philapan shy yangi halor ki katu kani ki jingtib ba ki patma ki papit yangi mentakas ngi ki kwa bantib shy kai kata ka an ki bala ban yada yaki nakum kini ki jingja ki bana ka por sha ka por dengan bu ko ki jingkri ki bakhado hakaba philap ni jubab kulum ngini ya ter iwe pi iwe kata ka jingkli ka long ba lada ukna ba arp waisnam ule be ijad usha set te kaju karukum ukna ba khat saus nem lada ule be ijad usha set te hato uni ukna bakhat saus nem kumbangi tip mo lada ushakem unle chika juvenile jail te unyo kaju karukom kajing penshitom ne kan pher bakla bak thendiat ne. So before I conclude this event, sir, I would like to ask one final question, sir, in which each of you can give a responsive answer, sir. If a person who is a major, considering he's 21 years old, if he has committed rape, and if we have another accused person who's a 14 years old boy, if he has committed rape, sir, will the, as we know, a person who is 14 years of age will be sent to the juvenile jail, sir. Now, considering they've both committed the same crime, now, will both the accused parties be punishable in the same manner, or will there be any differences, sir? Now, let us start, sir.
A 14-year-old boy will be treated as a juvenile. We have separate laws for juvenile. Now, see, since you asked me this question, I have remembered something which is, we remember the Delhi Nirbhaya case.
Right, sir.
And Nirbhaya was the reason why we came up with this POCSO Act. In Nirbhaya's case, the most brutal of all the assailants was the juvenile. He was only punished, not even punished, he was kept in the detention center for 3 years. Juveniles, if they are above the age of 16, can be tried as adults. But for that, under Section 15 of the Juvenile Justice Act, there has to be a preliminary assessment done, trying to find out whether the juvenile understood the consequences of the act.
Bakala ong hi baka yaki knarat komentaro ilad manerup ka hakajing kalijong pipila ang lada ay ka false information by a small if the person is a small child and then there is no punishment for that. Right. Ti kumhang ni romanta ladangi ngipet ladangi ya kanika at jong ka pukso hi ka kendon ki ki balabo. Khat saus nam ngi treat ki kumbade hapo ka knaret hi. Te ia kata ngin habo bakim pat sothor ka ka at jong ki bakile ha itai por bakile ka bakile kim pat sothor ki kilong kisu persang kisu ya yo ki penbot kalong no komta. Te kalong kadan ka difference between a 14-year-old and a 21-year-old. See, the under 21-year-old has an understanding. Whatever he does is with an understanding. But here with a 14-year-old, you cannot say that this boy had an understanding to act on it. So nang takadaw ngin da ong bangin ya panyahap kajo ka kendon ka punishment ya kibara arti kinum yahap ke. Tingi hap shim separately hap segregate no ya ka ke. Tikini kikinling no hapo juvenile and accordingly ka ki hot makikinyo ka punishment jong ki kalong lighter punishment tambalong kumdi kum ya ini ba arfawis nam tamba makiro kapanlong no kata ka detention ya ki kalong bakin soto nadian kanye bakim de kum banle kum kita kakam ka bakilale ka di kakam ka babakla ka basniw kata kalong ka jigsneng ki.
Tak hendak dikata mo. Ti subu mental ada utau kena ubanang khat saus nam. Subu uli kata mo kakamile bijat. Ti kabaning kong lu baka kuat lada la move bil mo subu usakyam tu kena. Lada la move bil ka kuat kan hapet balada don kam. Lada don kam ba unsong hapo ka observation home kata ka don ka observation home na benta kini CCL ngi khat mo. Ikini ki kena ki bahap hapo khat pras nam baong ki juvenile mo ngi khat ka juvenile mo. Ketika juvenile court kan ti kita ngi khot gi balik kam sniu ngim khot ki accused person kum ba khot ya uta u akuis nam tingi khot ye ki CCL mo kini ki side in conflict in law mo tingi khot gi ta umta with law mo side in conflict with law ti kini ngi khot ngi protect ru ka identity mo lada kita ki juvenile hapo khat ras nam lada de ba kana usin rang ru balik kata mo tekalit be saka court jong juvenile mo jong ke principal magistrate juvenile court saka court jong itaken ti yaka identity jong taru nyele men protect balik ni IBCCL ngim ju mention yaka keniam ru borbon ni IBCCL marba ni haban protect namarba subu ta subatai swan giat mo hadien ba move bill mo telada move bill uta ukhana nakaliang ki bahyeng kiwan ban move bill telada don kam ka court kan pet lada don kam uta ukhana bun song ha observation home unkin bu no observation home khnang ba unyo ka counseling telada nakaliang jong kimi pa pre ki kloy ban sim ya ka undertaking mo kata ko undertaking bakin kit khya yu tu khna bunlet na benta ka counseling tika court kan pet ken lada release ya ki saka custody jong kimi ki bahayeng basam ne en pha sapo observation home takan hap pet ya kata ka rukom kan telada don kam te nakapor saka por pe kini ki counselor kidan mo na benta kini ki juvenile ki CCL ki don ki counselor ru ki ba ai ya ka counseling ya ki ban pensung thu ya ki bakatu ka ke ba ki le kalong ka bamdai namar ba ting ting ukhna ting ting upen but ting ting wialang ponlok bo bla he bro upen but ting ting la new yo i ne ki upen but te don kam ya ki pede ban reform fistuniam khnang ba hadin khat prasnam lada ula he pede ula ban im gajing im ba normal te kumju ru kalong ba kan nakbenta kum kini ki kies ni jong ki juvenile nam ka kies nda kala ada post ru ye gitu ki file e la phangno la yuno khanang ba kanung ta unum dan criminal record hadin habut yau tu khana radap khat prasnam khanang ba ula ban concentrate ye ka future la kata kade ulet hanu kunu kalan unum dan jing thut ye u ba ulet puli mo la ni uyo kam sarkar tangwa long kidon ki pede long kibun pede ken ki hangta ki counseling don kam ti haban pet ka kuat haban pet long thik pathik ken lada ula kala sisa ni em so thu em long hapet thik pathik pede ken ni kata ko kalong hata ko
Kabishbun kong sa sip.
sai sien pede jan mo tikat bayu to wi pede boong kumboong ding khot ki accused person ki ba la palat khat thasnam tika kuat ru kalong kelet be ki kuat normal kuat mo tai pok so kuat kalet be sokta mo kanum let chu juvenile kumbalong itu khana tikata pare kalong da kumui pe ken jing fimen chita
Tikatung la poy bentar bakut. We've now reached the end of the program, sir. Thank you so much once again. Kubli shibun e pibro ngut bapila ai ka jing pensyai ya ki pai ba jing im ta singangit kinong pai ri kila hun men sim hi ban ngin senang yai beteng meng ya kum kini ki khubor ki ban sa pensyai pen benia pen pro shoi ka jabing jopi kham tam ka be ting khu bat ka an kublai shibon